Hey, how are you doing today? My name is Gregory. I'm with Gregory Poole Equipment Company, and we're going to look at the Caterpillar 259 B3 compact track loader today. First of all, I'll start off with our heavy door here, and also a bumper, which a lot of the competition doesn't have. We've got the bumper, so if you do back into something, when you're backing up, at least you hit the bumper and not the door or any critical components here on the machine. I'll first open it up. Safety pin here, so if you're on the side of a hill or a wind's blowing real bad, don't let it blow back, hit you in the back because you'll be out of work for a couple of days. Next of all, I'll open it up, show you the easy accessibility and serviceability of our machine. Able to get to everything. What you're running here is the Cat C3.4 engine, 4-cylinder. Get your dipstick right here, so you're able to check your oil. Your breather right here for your air filter, so you can see how much dust you got in there in case you need to take it out and blow it out. Comes out ready. One thing we've got standard on our machines is the clear glass and the fuel water separator right here. You're able to see that. A lot of competition add extra, you have to get an aftermarket filter for it. Also, you've got the electric priming pump in case you run out of diesel fuel. Just turn the key back and prime itself back. A lot of the competition's got a hand priming pump. Also, you'll notice that we're running a fan that's driven off the hydraulics, not off the crankshaft, taking power away from the engine while it's doing this work out front. You also look up here at the cooling package. Don't stack radiators on top of each other, so one system's not taken away from the other. You're able to pull your hydraulic and your engine at the same time, blowing the air out. Also on the battery, have to run a dead battery on one of these cold mornings. Don't have to move any radiator or anything, as we'll see on some of our competition later. Just reach down here, undo your battery holder there, pop your battery out, pop the one back in, get off the door. So, really what I had to do back here. So, let's move around to the side. This is a sprocket driven machine. All of our components on each side are interchangeable, also front and back. Straight out of the factory, we run a single flange idler in the rear, dual flange in the front. You can swap that out, or you can run single and single, or double and double. Obviously, if you run double and double, it's going to help you on the ride, but it does put more pressure points on your track. One of the biggest advantages of the Caterpillar machine is our torsion flex axle system. Right here, most of our competitors are bolt-on, so we're running an axle which is actually resting on rubber there, and as you ride it, gives you that smooth ride where it's not all bumpy and one-sided to one side. Here you got a safety feature, so when you're working with the loader arms up, you can put this on the hydraulic cylinder, so obviously you don't want your hydraulic cylinder coming down on you. Standard throughout the machine is the XT hose on a higher pressure. That's a coil wrap system. It's not a braided system as most of our hoses are. And if you look, I also got some examples that our inner wall is thicker than the other ones, and we still remain flexibility on everything, so you can move it in and out. Moving up here to the front, we've got a 72-inch multi-purpose bucket hooked up to the machine. Got a pressure release up here in the cab to take the leak pressure off. The hoses here, so when you go to hook them back up, there's not a lot of pressure, and you don't have to get your wrenches out, break, put hydraulic oil on the ground or anything, just hook them back up. So, now as we go into the machine here, on the floor here, you've got a foot pedal, which is standard Caterpillar on all machines. A lot of competition charge extra for it, so when you're moving around the yard, you can just use it instead of using up or down. Saves fuel, saves you time, saves you money. You got your fuel gauge up here on the right. Obviously, you've got automatic glow plugs. So when you just turn the key on, just like you do for truck in the mornings, the glow plugs automatically kick in if they need to and warm your machine up. And also, once you start the machine, you have to have the arm bar down to start it, and the parking brake is going to automatically be on, so the hydraulics won't be live or anything like that. Also, you have on the 259 here, something we run standard is the self-leveling. It will do it going up, but it won't do it coming down. right beside that, this button over here is your pressure relief for your hydraulics out here. Pilot controls, 259. We run proportional on this, so as you're opening and closing the bucket, if you got drywall or something you're trying to pick up, you're just not slamming right down on it and crunching it up. Also have a safety feature if the arms do get caught up, so you don't have to crawl up under them. You just pull this ring, climb out the back here, and that way you can get out safely and then figure out how to get the arms down with our pressure relief on the back. Also with our T-handle here, should take the pressure off of them. They'll go down once you get out of the machine safely. And also we have standard up here, our rear view mirror, which a lot of the competition doesn't have standard. They charge extra for these also. As far as the 259, that's about it. And hope we can get you the demo. Thanks for your time.